Welcome. In today's quick Telegram guide, I'll show how to enable the dust effect deletion feature, a small but visually satisfying animation that appears when messages are deleted in chats. If you like subtle effects that make your app feel more dynamic, this is definitely worth turning on. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. This is the three-line icon that opens your main navigation panel. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience, including privacy, notifications, and chat appearance. Now, inside Settings, tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your messages look and behave, including themes, fonts, and animations. Scroll down until you find the Animations option, then tap on it to continue. In the Animations section, look for power-saving options. This area manages which visual effects are enabled or limited to save battery or improve performance. Here, tap on Effects and Chats. This will open a list of available animation effects you can control. Finally, find the option called Dust Effect Deletion and check the box next to it to enable it. That's it. From now on, whenever you delete a message in Telegram, you'll see a subtle dust-like animation, giving your chats a smoother and more modern feel. If you ever want to disable it, just follow the same steps and uncheck the option. That's all for this guide.